Okay, are you wanting to reboot your skin? Did you wreck your skin over the summer? You went on vacation, you had fun on the sun, and now you are wanting to get that post-summer glow, get your skin ready for fall. Here are 5 tips for skin reboot after fun in the sun. Okay, so we're gonna cover anything from home care to in-office treatments to help fight pigmentation, bring back that glow. So first is going to be skin brightener, which skin brightener is a lightening product that does not make you photosensitive. So it has Mandelic, which helps break up that pigmentation if you either have melasma, maybe some sun-induced pigment, or even some spots from some past breakouts, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It will address that. It's also an antimicrobial product or ingredient, the Mandelic. It has niacinamide to help calm your skin down. It has a lactic to exfoliate, so it's going to increase that cell turnover. So it's packed with some really great ingredients to help you with that pigmentation from all the fun you had in the sun. Another at-home product that works amazing for cells turnover and lightening and pigmentation is the Vita Lite. I also have Vita Plus, but all new clients will start on Vita Lite first. It is a retinol palmitate with a kojic blend. It also has lactic acid in it as well. So it is an amazing anti-aging product. Also, if you tend to get those bumps around your chin area, it will help dissolve those oil filaments. So that's a huge bonus, helping you out with your acne, dissolving those impacted oil deposits. So if you're looking to punch it up just a little bit more, then you're gonna wanna do one of our in-office peels. I have a no downtime peel, which is the designer peel. Been doing that for years. It is my protocol that I developed many years ago. It starts off with exfoliating your skin with hydrofacial. Prior to starting the hydrofacial, we will exfoliate your skin with dermaplaning. So if you have any of that vellus hair, it will take care of that. We will roll right into a pass of the hydrofacial to exfoliate your skin, and then we will start with a 30% glycolic. I love glycolic. It penetrates the skin efficiently and gives you that nice, tight, smooth looking skin immediately. No other product actually works like glycolic. I love it. So that'll sit on the skin anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. I'll neutralize that, and then after we will start applying lightening agents. We'll actually use the brightening serum. We'll use a prepping solution packed with lightening agents, blueberry kojic, just a whole list of lighteners. That's the way that the product line is designed. It's good for all skin types. So we will do a vitamin C, we'll do a Mandelic, and then we apply either Fade and Firm or Pigment Punch. Both are designed for pigmentation disorders, and the LED red light will help make those ingredients travel a little bit further into the skin. If you're looking for something with a even bigger impact, then I would go with the Glow and Go with the booster. So that is a solution that's applied to the surface of the skin, and then we actually apply a retinol palmitate at the very end. You will see peeling with that. So that's going to help give you the fastest results for sloughing off all of the, either neutralizing your melasma, helping with your acne. That one is a Resorcinol kojic blend. And then lastly, we have Flawless, which is a facial with no downtime. That is kind of like a fusion between hydrofacial and the designer peel. So that when we'll enzyme you, hydrofacial you, and then we make this cocktail of a mask, which is in a gel form, and it has either pigment punch or Vita Firm in it, and we have infused that with galvanic and LED. So you have so many options. You can contact me. I can help you select what is going to be right for you. But if you're looking for that summer reboot and you want to get your skin back to where it was, or if you're prepping for an amazing event, a reunion, a wedding, whatever, go ahead and reach out.